Hi. For this recording, I want to show you something pretty simple that people need to do all the time. That's how to create a folder and then zip it up into a zip file. This is particularly aimed at people with a Windows computer. If you have a Mac or a Linux machine, you'll need to download some sort of third-party software alternative for creating zip files. But if you use Windows 7, it's pretty straightforward. Here I have two document files, and I want to put them in a folder and zip them together into a single archive in order to be able to email them or upload them somewhere. So I right-click on my desktop and create a new folder. And I'm just going to call this Documents to Send. It might have been anything. And then I'll put these two files, Document 1 and Document 2, in the folder. If I open this folder, you'll see that the folder has these documents in it. I can close that folder, then right-click and choose Send to Compressed Zipped Folder. That will create this new zip folder called Documents to Send.zip. Now if I double click on this and open it, you'll see that there's a folder in there called Documents to Send, and inside of that I've got my two documents. These documents are not the same as they would be if they were still outside. You see this folder that says Documents to Send? I still have my documents there, but now I've got copies of it in the zip folder too. If I were to open these in the regular folder, see the difference? Documents to Send, and over here, Documents to Send.zip. If I were to open these, I could edit them. But if I open these, I would get a read-only view. Some of you may have noticed from time to time, if you have a zip file of resources in Angel for a course you're taking, and instead of downloading it to your desktop, you just choose Open when your system prompts you for what you want to do with it, you may get caught in a pretty common error, which is to open the folder, which is really a zip file, and then look inside of it, see a file, double-click on it to open it, and then start editing it and find out you can't save it. Files inside of zip folders don't have the ability to be edited because while they're still in the archive, they're read-only. If we were to look at the properties on these folders, you see how it says that they've been deflated, CRC, so they're not really subject to regular file properties. On the other hand, if I look in the normal folder, check the properties of the file, you see how I see all the normal things about a file, and it doesn't say anything about being compressed or deflated or zipped. Anyway, so that's our thing for today, our video. And if I wanted to now, I could go to Angel, go to the Dropbox, and navigate to this folder and upload this as a single zip. Angel has the ability to zip files as you go, but this is a better way to do it because it's the way you'll need to do it for most email programs, and it's what people are going to expect you to be able to do most of the time when you're at work and they ask you to zip up something and send it. Anyway, that's our computer skill for this week. Thanks for watching, and we'll have something else for you next week. Bye.